Yeah, we have a sharpening rock too.
Oh, like same like that one?
Yeah, just smaller though.
Oh.
Can I show everybody your guys' dog or no? What does it mean? Oh.
Does your son want chips or anything?
No, he's messy.
Oh.
But I don't want him making a mess in your guys' place.
That's fine. Cắt cái thớ nè.
Is it okay?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh.
It's just watching the đi cắt cái nói cắt cái thớ nào cho cái canh nó mềm á.
Tên nó gì đây?
Là giống như cắt như vậy là nó sẽ giống như là cắt như vậy á, là nó có cái thớ thì nó sẽ ăn cứng. Rồi mình cắt dọc vậy.
So what she's trying to say is all the meats have a grain pattern
Okay.
that goes, right? And if you cut with the grain pattern, it's gonna be very tough.
So where is it?
You have to kind of look, see? You see how like the pattern goes like up and down,
Okay.
right? So you want to go against it,
Oh.
because if you go with it, right? So if like she were to cut like this way, right? Meat would be a lot tougher.
Cause yeah, the videos I've seen, they like freeze it, and I don't remember how long, but I wasn't
Probably
sure.
an hour.
Oh. But yeah, I wasn't sure if that's what we were doing or like if it can be cut already.
Honey, are you okay? Can I go in?
Yes. Honey, can you go close the door?
The front door?
Yeah,
Yeah, no
the
problem.
flies got in the house. So cut this one really thick. I am very thin,
It's okay.
so it's easier to cook.
Yeah.
Yeah. Boom. Go to sleep. That's $25,000. Yeah, if they get a finish, they get a $25,000 bonus on top of whatever they get for winners.
Oh man, I forgot. I have to toss the.
Oh, the bones, the oxtail and stuff.
Is that good? Oh, yeah, cho mức sò ha.
I'm gonna put it in. Put it in.
Cẩn thận cái con nóng.
So is it one time wash out when it's cooked?
Sorry, what's the question?
Is it a one-time wash out when it's cooked?
So this is kind of like a little bit more of a thorough kind of a wash, where it's you use boiling water and then you put it in for roughly 5 minutes.